HD Industry and Workplace Library is a high-definition set of 3,197 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast wave files are fully embedded with metadata. And each HD Industry and Workplace hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From construction sites to laptops, steam whistles to garage hoists, and circular saws to bottling plants, these outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed, so here we go. The HD Industry and Workplace Library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast wave and MP3 audio files. The HD Industry and Workplace Library, available only from Sound Ideas.